Could you start perhaps by telling me how new technologies are changing the marketing world?
Thank you for having me. Obviously, I mean, it's a new term in the game now. You have to be digital. You have to be focused. You have to focus on how to improve the automated services and automated process. And the Middle East, and including Qatar, are no strange to this. There is a lot of effort and finance and fund has been put into this automation, digital process and innovation to ensure that customer gets the best out of banking system with ease and convenience. Qatar, and if I want to speak specifically about Commercial Bank, we've been very innovative. We've been leading the digital game in Qatar. We just won now the CB Safe ID. We've been recognized for. Again, that's basically a token of how we think. It's the first kind of initiative or service that's been provided in Qatar and Middle East, where a person or client can identify the person on the other side of the phone by asking him to be sent a code to his mobile through push notification to ensure that the other person on the other line or the other side is not a fraudster. So this is something that we are very proud of it, and again shows our leadership in the market.
How do you balance between the will and the eagerness to follow new tech and innovation, and also the need to be careful with data protection to make sure that your systems are secure? How do you strike the balance?
I think they come together. I mean, they complement each other. First of all, when it comes to providing a new technology, you have to be innovative. You have to think ahead of the game. You have to anticipate what the customer wants. So this is something that we do usually in Commercial Bank. And along with it, we always ensure that we assess the risk behind doing such initiative. But to say that we are very, very careful. We ensure that data privacy is the utmost of our attention there in the Commercial Bank. And at the same time, we make sure that customer can deal with this new technology with ease and comfort, that their information will not be leaked out.
And so you've just won an important award. What's next for you?
Continue what we're doing. We're still leading the market when it comes to technology. We hope that we continue to do that in terms, especially now with the World Cups coming up. There is a lot of attention on the privacy, on the data protection, fraud, and Qatar and especially Commercial Bank has spent a lot of time and effort to ensure such information are protected, fraudsters are being tagged and outlined, and at the same time we have provided a lot of awareness in terms of people using our technology and ensure that it's safe and convenient for a lot of people. So yes, we're anticipating this is going to happen, but we are ready for it, and we're anticipating all type of risk that comes along with such a big event that for the first time going to be hosted in Qatar and the Middle East.
What are the specific challenges you think might arise with such a big event?
Obviously, the major thing will be, obviously, it's going to bring a lot of investors. Along with it, they're going to bring a lot of fraudsters. So we're very careful. We have enhanced our digital KYCs. We ensure there is a lot of, in a country level, we ensure that cash is not being used on a wider range. There's some of the areas where you cannot spend more than 50,000 riyal. Otherwise, you have to use a credit card. We have the HIA card, which is basically a must requirement to have in order to you to attend the World Cup, which gives you a lot of comfort because there's a lot of checking and KYC been done. So we know who you are. And the other end, which is the important part, is the digital side that we talked about. It's a crucial for us to ensure that the digital technology is there for customer to use, which is a lot of safety and a lot of security been put in and ensure to customer data and information doesn't leak out.